my happy preppers. Today for you, I'm going to show you how to make burritos to store in your freezer. So anytime you're on the go, you grab a burrito. When you're in a hurry and you have to evacuate, grab a grocery bag, fill it up, and you have food for you while you're out and about. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a flour tortilla. And I've got everything prepared. I have refried beans, Spanish rice, shredded chicken, shredded beef, and cheese. So my two options are going to be chicken burritos and shredded beef burritos. What I'm going to do first is we're going to grab some of our pinto beans, and you can use pinto or you can use black, whichever you prefer. We'll get some and spread some on the bottom. A little messy here, but that's okay. We're normal preppers, so it doesn't matter. We get a little rice. We'll get some of our chicken. Make it nice and hearty. And a little cheese. What we'll do here, a little more cheese, is we'll just fold it up. Tuck it in a little. Make sure our ends are all folded. Some cheese. What we'll then do is wrap it in this wax paper. And then we will grab a piece of tin foil, wrap it in our tin foil, roll it up nice and tight. And what I like to do is get my Sharpie marker. This was chicken, so I'll put a C on it for chicken. And here we go. Quick storage of quick meals in your freezer. Happy prepping!